Hi friends, welcome to KVR Education. Today topic is All India Sainik School Entrance Exam 2021 for the academic year of 2021. Here the full notification details is explaining. The All India Sainik School Entrance Exam is conducting. The online application starts from 20th October to 19th November 2020. Online last date for submission of online application November 19th. For the fees of this application, for OC candidates 500, SC ST candidates 400 rupees. Downloading the admit card, date of the exam 10th January. Duration of the exam 150 marks for 6th class, 180 minutes for 8th class, 10 to 1 examination timing. Then here the students want to join All India Signing Schools has good career in future. Get direct placement and training to India Army, Navy and Air Force. The total time duration, syllabus and everything is included. For 6th class students, mathematics, intelligence and language, general knowledge. The language includes English and Hindi. For 9th class students, mathematics, intelligence, English, general science and social science. For 400 marks, there is no negative mark for response. The age limit should be for 6th class students. For who want to join in 6th class, for age limit 10 to 12 years. For 9th class students 13 to 15 years. The 6th class students covered the mathematics topic and the serial number and list of the syllabus included. Natural numbers, LCM, HCF, unitary method and so on. The whole syllabus which you are previously learned in before classes, the detailed syllabus has given in this video. And general intelligence, questions of intelligence will be based on analogs, mathematical and verbal pattern classification, visual and logical reasoning. For in language, English, the grammar part fully comprehensive as propositions, articles, synonyms, adjective, interjection, whatever you are learned in previous classes. The full oriented of mathematics, English, general science and additional on reasoning ability. Who want to join this All India Sainik Schools? You must be revised on all of your syllabus in previous classes. You can gain a good marks. Language topic covered in general knowledge. Different types of scientific device used in daily life. Daily life lo మనం ఉపయోగించే scientific devices, icons and symbols of national insignia, national emblems, sports, animals, elementary awareness of such symbols, major religions in India, art and culture, defense, sports and games, super senses, relation between animal and human beings, taste and digestion, cooking and preserving techniques, germination and seed dispersal, traditional water harvesting techniques, experiment with water on every day, and such all the functionalities in related to the human being and nature. All are the general science which you are seeing in your daily life. And Indian literacy culture awards, total the topics is covered for 6th class students. Topic covered for 9th class students, mathematics, total number of questions 50, maximum marks 200. For each question carries 4 marks. There is no negative mark in this examinations. The ninth class students has also the basic syllabus which you have studied in before classes. Once you can revision all the syllabus thoroughly, we can easily join this All India Sainik Schools, who has a good career and hope to serve our nation, is a good career to change your future. Mathematical reasoning and English, the whole grammatical part and other the sentence formation of words are covered in English. General science, total 25 questions, maximum marks 50. For each topics related, the question containing the subject relates to change in the gaining marks. Mathematics, one each question carries 4 marks, and intelligence 3 2 marks, and general science and general awareness each carries 2 marks. There is differs in the pattern of this syllabus. For the syllabus in mathematics is the each gaining mark is high, and general science is all are equal marks for gaining 2 marks. Please read the complete syllabus and revise all your previous classes. You can get good marks. The All India Signing School website and application format. We want to start the we want the steps to fill the application form. First of all, register the candidates. Then go to the start registration page, and the examination fees, how as the online application should submit, all other the complete details in this notification. We can carefully fill the application, should not do any mistakes. What were the required documents you want to apply? Can see the video. Please subscribe KVR Education. It was career is good in this platform. The Sainik candidates will give free training and what you can serve the nation. You can easily enter the Indian Army, Indian Air Force and Indian Naval. The school, All India Sainik Schools will giving great opportunity for this academic year. We can how to apply and what are the required documents, all are can be in this video. Please, once you see the video as a details, you can check how was the registration form in this video. Candidate's name, father name, mother name, type of identification number is Aadhaar or any government ID proof. Enter your address, present address and permanent address where you want to study. Please see the notification. We can apply only on official website AISSW, All India Sainik School Entrance Examination for 2021. Here we have the basic syllabus. We do not bother about the syllabus. Once you can revise the syllabus whole and easily can gain a good career, we can serve our nation to be strong. Okay, thank you for watching this video.